Okie dokie, here's the second set of wheels that I have ordered from this company, and tires. These are the more aggressive, chunky tread pattern. The other ones were the smooth, ribbed. Same as the last review pretty much. This is a nice, brass fitting on the tube. You can see it's on the inner tube there. I've aired these down and felt the rubber thickness. It's a thicker rubber than other tires or wheels of this sort that I've ordered to replace my hand truck tires. The rubber feels good. It's a 30 psi air pressure rating. Load range B, max load 300 pounds. You got your tire size. The bearings are nice and smooth. You can't hear anything there or really feel any resistance other than the grease that's in there. Powder coated wheels. Yeah, good job in designing these. They're true to roundness when you spin them on the axle. I've had a lot of these tires that I've ordered and they have, imperfections from the molding process or whatever it is. These do not have that. So really nice, high quality tires to replace hand trucks and other carts. These have the offset hub. You can see it's about even with the tire. Maybe sticks out a little bit more than the tire on this side, and then this side's inset.